Mailerlite Dropshipping Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Mailerlite and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. Mailerlite is an email marketing platform designed to help dropshippers grow their business through effective email campaigns. Whether you're looking to send product updates, promotional offers, or abandoned cart emails, Mailerlite allows you to automate your email marketing efforts, saving you time and boosting conversions. With features like drag-and-drop email builders, automation workflows, segmentation, and detailed analytics, Mailerlite makes it easy for dropshippers to engage with their customers and increase sales. Who is it for? Mailerlite is perfect for dropshippers looking for an affordable yet powerful email marketing solution. If you want to build email lists, send personalized messages, and automate your email campaigns, this platform provides a robust set of tools. Key features include email automation, landing page creation, segmentation, pop-ups, advanced reporting, and integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Now the strengths. One of Mailerlite's main strengths is its ease of use. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, allowing even beginners to create professional-looking emails quickly. With its automation features, you can set up workflows to send emails based on customer actions, such as abandoned cart reminders or post-purchase follow-ups. Mailerlite also offers robust segmentation tools, so you can send targeted emails based on customer behavior or demographics. This allows for personalized marketing, which typically results in higher engagement and better conversion rates. Additionally, Mailerlite's reporting and analytics features provide valuable insights into your campaign performance, helping you optimize your efforts. Weaknesses? While Mailerlite is a great email marketing platform, it's not perfect. For one, some advanced features, like A/B testing and more detailed reporting, are available only in the higher-tier plans. If you have a large subscriber list, you may need to upgrade to access more advanced tools or additional sending limits. Also, while it integrates with many e-commerce platforms, some integrations may not be as seamless or feature-rich as other email marketing tools. Final verdict. Mailerlite is an excellent choice for dropshippers who want to automate their email marketing without breaking the bank. It's user-friendly, affordable, and packed with powerful features. However, if you need more advanced features or have a larger email list, be prepared to upgrade. If you're looking for a solid, cost-effective email marketing solution for your dropshipping business, Mailerlite is definitely worth considering.